Ever wondered how search engines can find exactly what you're looking for in a sea of billions of web pages? Search engines are like digital librarians, tirelessly crawling the web to discover new pages and add them to their vast index. When you type a query, these web crawlers, or bots, sift through millions of pages to find the most relevant results. Crawling is the first step, where search engines find your site by following links or reading sitemaps. Once found, bots analyze the content, visuals, and layout of each page to understand what it's about. Next comes indexing, where the analyzed information is stored and cataloged in a massive search index. Google's search index, for example, spans over 100 million gigabytes and is housed in about 2.5 million servers worldwide. The final step is ranking, where search engines determine the order of results based on factors like relevancy, quality, and authority. The top results on a search engine results page, SEO, are meticulously ranked to provide you with the best possible answers. Unlock the secrets of search engines and discover how they bring the world's information to your fingertips.